Today we're gonna be wrapping my car in gift wrapping paper, and I wanted to do an actual wrap, but I don't have the money for that right now because I'm in college and I'm broke. But we're gonna just kind of throw this on. So I have an idea. It's gonna be right there, and let's get to it. So yes, it's very dark now. We got here at 2 o'clock. It is now 7 o'clock, and we finally we finished. Like, it's done. Sabrina's it's done. She stuck with it all the way through the end. She's putting on the final bow to kind of like wrap up the car, but this is what it looks like. So honestly, I'm at a loss of words. Like, this has come off really well, and it took a while, but it was worth it. And I'm gonna be driving this all the way back from Arizona to California, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. Obviously it's gifting paper, so if you end up actually like looking super close in, you know, you could see like little pieces of tape and things like that, and I have to be careful with how I treat the car so that the tape doesn't get messed up. But all in all, like, from the distance, it looks so good. I'm so happy. Sabrina doesn't know how to put the bow on, so
I was gonna say we need a $5 wrap.
$5 wrap, straight up. This costed us $5. Actually, the tape was $7, so 12.
Hey, you could make money off of doing
This cost us $12. I'm not sitting out here and doing this for 5 hours again. First, test drive it. Keys are inside.
Which way?
Don't hit the poles or crowds.
Okay, very funny. Very funny.
Give it some revs too, just for the fun of it. Rev it.
The next morning.
Well, guys, that's gonna effectively end today's video. So $12 for this. I'm very happy. It did take a lot of time, but you know, with me and Sabrina, we were able to like kind of put in the work. 2 o'clock, 7 o'clock, so 5-hour difference, but it's all good. It's here. Hopefully it's here to stay till I come back to California. But if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Drop a comment what you think of this. Do you like it? Do you not? Should I wrap it like this, like an actual like wrap? Let me know. All right, later. Peace.